Hello people, and welcome to another Nishna Valley Rail Videos unboxing video of a insulator. Today I'll be unboxing a McLaughin CD164 in a sage green color. It's kind of like an aqua, but a little bit more sage, if you know what I'm talking about. This is from Koinoba Collectibles. I've bought a few other insulators from him, like the milk glass insulator from the last unboxing, the green signal that's in Brookfield, a CD151 and trip points with on the skirt as well. So yeah, pretty cool. He's a pretty good seller, pretty good packing. I do suggest buying from him if you have kind of a bigger wallet, because his insulators are a bit more on the higher ends, and the pricing's okay. There's a few that are just above the North American Insulators book. If you are looking to buy anything on eBay, I suggest this book. It is a little pricey. I think I got it for around $50. A new one is coming out here soon, so I suggest waiting though. So anyways, enough blabbering. Let's get on to unboxing the insulator. So, I'm interested to see what this is going to look like. I don't have any McLaughin insulators, so I'm kind of interested to see what this is gonna be. Oh, all right, that was kind of interesting to open. Lots of paper. Anyways, here's the insulator. Get out of here. So, pretty good packing. I mean, nothing getting through that. So, just kind of start slicing up here at the top, and then you can, I don't know what he typed here. I think he puts like a whole layer of tape around the base of the insulator, and then kind of layers it. I don't know. He puts a base of tape around and puts bubble wrap around it. I'm not fully sure. So anyways, boy, all right. So, man, it's cold. It must have been in the packing for a while. Yeah, it's covered in ice and stuff. So this came from all the way from sunny Florida up here to cold Iowa, where it's been negative for a while. But anyways, so as you can see, McLaughin, number 20, in a sage green color. So, as you can, I have it right underneath here on the light right now, and as you can see, it's kind of a more sageish color. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna go get my other insulators. That's a CD64. Here's one. Pretty sure this is also one. So this is another CD164. This is a Madwell, which Madwell bought McLaughin. If I remember correctly. So here's the difference. For the most part, pretty similar. This one's milk glass, this one isn't. This is a sage green. And I'm pretty sure this is also a CD164. This is a Star. Star, what I've been told, is a combination of insulators bought for GE, if I remember correctly. So, but yeah, these are almost identical, if you can see. So yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you would like to see more insulator unboxings like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.